In this lecture, we will learn about microwave networks. Let us look at the network theory. We have heard and learned about network theory during electrical engineering classes. So basically, you have a network made up of resistor, inductor, and capacitors with some driving source like here, and we apply various laws like Ohm's law, KVL, KCL, and so on, and then arrive at voltages and currents at various points in the circuit. So we want to do something similar here, but the frequency of operation is very high, like in hundreds of megahertz or gigahertz, unlike electrical circuits that you have studied earlier, where the frequency was closer to DC. This high frequency makes the approach to analyzing the circuit very different. A simple difference is the wire connecting the devices, as shown here, which are almost ignored at DC, now become very significant. We have noticed in earlier sessions that with higher frequencies, the voltage and current at various points on the transmission line change, unlike DC circuits. We will learn how to come up with various ways to analyze a microwave network. The four major ways to define the microwave networks are the Z parameters, the Y parameters, the S parameters, and ABCD parameters. We will go step by step here and understand each of these representations for a microwave network.